Hello everyone, Namaskar. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Yesterday we did the revision of chapter number 12. So today in this video class we are going to do chapter number 13, that is the sun, moon and stars. I hope you all are ready. So let's revise this chapter. Before we start our class, everyone join your hands, close your eyes.
भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
So dear kids, in this chapter we have learned about the solar system. Right? We learn about the planets. We learn about satellites, the names of the planets. Yes, phases of the moon, about constellation. Yes or no? So first topic is solar system. Now, what is solar system? So the sun and all the bodies that move around the sun, it together form the solar system. Right? Sun और जितने भी heavily bodies present होते हैं, right? And जो move होते हैं around the sun, ये सब कुछ मिला के क्या बन जाता है? Solar system. Right? So sun. So what is sun? The sun is a star. Yes, and it is made up of very hot gases. It gives out light and heat. Right? Sun क्या है? Sun is a star and it is made up of very hot gases. It gives us heat and light. Then about planets. Planets क्या है? Planets, it move around the sun in a fixed path. Right? And which is called orbit. Planet क्या है? It move around the sun in a fixed path which is called orbits. And they do not have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun. And there are total 8 planets in our solar system which move around the sun. And what are the names of the planets? Planets के name क्या है? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets which are there in our solar system. Right? And the sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. And each planet, right? हर एक planet जो sun के around move होता है, they have its own orbit. Right? वो एक फिक्स पाथ में मूव होते हैं जिसको हम ऑर्बिट कहते हैं. And each planets have its own orbit. Then next we learn about the moon. Moon क्या है? Moon, the earth moves around the sun. Yes, in the similar ways the moon also move around the earth. Right? And moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. Right? और moon क्या है? It is the satellite of the earth. What is satellite? A satellite is the object that moves around the planet. Okay? Planet के around move होते हैं. And planets क्या है? जो sun के around move होते हैं. and different planets have their different numbers of moon. Like Earth has only one moon. Like that way Jupiters के भी number of moons अलग होंगे, Uranus के अलग होंगे, Neptune के अलग होंगे, right? Moon also does not have its own light. It also reflects the light of the sun. Then surface of the moon. Surface of the moon, right? The moon surface has huge and deep holes which is called craters, right? Moon also has mountains and there is no air on the moon. Then we learn about the faces of the moon, right? कभी कभी हमने देखा है कि moon का face full है, sometimes it is half, sometimes there is no moon, right? So these different shapes of the moon are called faces of the moon. So this is the diagram of the faces of the moon. The first is full moon, then half moon, and if there is no moon present in the sky, so that day is called new moon day. Okay. Then we learn about the stars, that we see thousands of stars in the sky, right? Like the sun, stars also have their own light. Stars के पास उसकी light होती है. Some stars are bigger and brighter than the sun, right? But they look small because they are very very far away from the earth. Yes, stars sun से भी ज़्यादा बड़े होते हैं, but वो हमें बहुत छोटे दिखते हैं क्योंकि वो अर्थ से बहुत ही दूर हैं. Then we learn about the constellation. What is constellation? When group of stars they form a pattern in the sky, that is called constellation. And there are some names like Little Bear, Orion, the Great Bear. Like these are the example of constellation which have seen in the sky. Then a telescope is an instrument which is used to see distant object, which is used to see far object, right? Such as planets, moon and star we can see in the sky with the help of telescope. And here is a smart way to remember the names of the planets, right? What you will remember, that my very energetic mother just sent us nuts. This is a smart way to remember the names of the planets. My say M, Mercury, very say V, Venus. Then energetic का E say Earth, mother का M say Mars, just J for Jupiter, then Saturn, S for Saturn, then us, U for Uranus, and Earth and for Neptune. So understood this chapter? So now come in the revision sheet, take out page number 18. Chapter number 13, the sun, moon and star. Come on page number 18 with your pencil and eraser. Question number 1, filling the blanks. First one, the dash is a huge ball of fire that gives us heat and light. So, what is that? Sun or moon? Yes, sun. Sun is a huge ball of fire that gives us heat and light. Second one, the dash moves around the dash. Sorry, the earth moves around the dash. अर्थ किसके अराउंड मूव होता है? The earth moves around the sun and the moon moves around the earth, right? So write down their sun. Third one, there are dash planets in the solar system. So how many planets are there? There are 8 planets. So write there 8. Number 4th, planets do not have dash of their own. Planets के पास उसका क्या नहीं है? They do not have their light of their own, right? उनके पास उनकी खुद की light नहीं होती. It reflects the light of the sun. Number 5, a dash is an object that moves around a planet. So, what is that object that moves around the planets? That is called satellite, right? So, write there satellite. Complete this question number 1, everyone. First one sun, second sun, third one 8, fourth one light, and fifth one satellite. So now come to question number 2. Match the following. First one sun. So sun का आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन ए सैटेलाइट, बी स्टार, सी फिक्स पाथ, डी कॉन्स्टलेशन और ई मर्क्यूरी. सो सन क्या है? सन इज अ स्टार, राइट? सो राइट देयर बी. फर्स्ट आंसर विल बी बी. Second one moon. So moon is a satellite, right? So write there option A. Third one planets. So here what will come? Yes, Mercury, because Mercury is a planet name. Fourth one orbit. So orbit का क्या आएगा? Orbit is a fixed path, right? So C1. And number 5, the group of stars. So group of stars that form patterns in the sky, they are called constellation. So first one answer B, second A, third E, fourth C, and fifth one D. Now come to question number 3. True or false? Number first, the earth is a satellite. Earth एक satellite है? No. So the answer is false. Earth is not a satellite, it is a planet. Second one, the sun, the 8 planets and the stars are parts of the solar system. Yes, they together form the solar system. So here the statement is true. Third one, the different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. So this is the definition of phases of the moon. The statement is also true, so write there true. Number 4, far off objects can be seen clearly with the help of a telescope. So suppose we want to see the stars, yes, and the moon. So with the help of telescope we can see the far off objects clearly, right? So that's why the statement is also true. So write there true, everyone. Number 5, the constellation Great Bear is also called the Hunter. No, it is not called Hunter. So that's why this statement is false. It is called Orion. Completed. So now come to page number 19. Question number 4. Write the time taken for one. Yes, you have to write the time, that how many times it takes to revolve, to rotate. Okay. Number first, rotation of the earth on its axis. Right? Earth को कितना time लगता है to rotate on its axis? So the earth takes 24 hours. Right there 24 hours. Second one, revolution of the earth around the sun. So how much time earth take to revolve, to take one revolution of the earth around the sun? So how much time it take? 365 and half, right? So write there 365 and 1/4 day means 366. Third one, rotation of the moon around the earth. So how much time it take to rotate? How much time it take to moon to rotate around the earth? So it takes 25 and a half day. Now question number 5, logical question answer. Right? Number first, stars are present in the sky during the day, then why we can't see them? Right? Stars present होते हैं, but क्यों हम उसको नहीं देख सकते हैं? Because of the bright light of the sun, we cannot see stars during the day. Stars are present in the day also, at daytime also, but we are not able to see the stars because sun की ही light इतनी होती है that we are not able to see the stars during the day. Understood first one? Second one, the moon is the closest star to the earth. Is this statement true? Moon is the closest star. क्या moon एक star है? So is this statement true? ये statement true है? अगर है तो क्यों, नहीं है तो क्यों? Why? So no, this is the false statement because moon is not a star. Moon is the satellite. Moon क्या है? It is a satellite. Moon is not a star. Right? Understood first and second both? Now, third one, out of Mercury, Earth and Neptune, which planet is the hottest and which is the coldest? Why? See, Mercury is the first planet, right? That's why वो sun के पास है. So it is the hottest planet, and the Neptune is the coldest planet because it is far away from the sun. Right? So how we will write this answer? Mercury is the hottest planet because it is near to the sun, whereas Neptune is the coldest planet because it is farthest from the sun. And जो Earth है, it is neither too hot nor too cold, medium है. Question number 6, let's do it. First one, on the back of an old calendar or a chart paper, make a table as shown and hang it into your room. Observe the moon every night and draw the shape of the moon on the star. See, 1 week के लिए आपको मून ऑब्जर्व करना है. या तो आप चार्ट पेपर ले सकते हो या फिर ओल्ड पेपर होते हैं, कैलेंडर, राइट? उसके बैक पे भी आप ऐसा टाइम टेबल बना दो, राइट? एंड यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दी मून एवरी नाइट, राइट? यू हैव टू डू दिस 1 वीक के लिए नहीं बेटा, 1 month के लिए, राइट? यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व द मून 1 month and then you have to also draw the shapes of the moon. You will see, आप क्या देखोगे, आपको वो फिर आपको मुझे बताना होगा, राइट? So this is the activity which you are going to do at your home. So now come to page number 20. Let's recall. So here, what is this? Yes, it is solar systems and the names of the planets, right? So sun, then the first planet Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are all the names of the planets. There are total 8 planets in our solar system. So here we have completed chapter number 13. I hope you all have understood it. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me anytime. Okay? So, bye everyone. Take care.